What is up, YouTube? We are back with a brand new video. This one's going to be a review of the Flexilla premium hose glad hand truck tire inflator kit. Now, I just bought this at Pilot, and I've been having some issues with tires where, well, not necessarily just the tires, but all the truck stops that have spots to actually fill up the tires with air, they're all broken. At Love's, Pilot, they don't work. They literally do not work. It's so frustrating because, you know, your tires are going to lose air, and you want to make sure that you're keeping your tires above, you know, your drive tires above 100 psi and your steer tires above 110. You know, you don't want to get pulled over into an inspection and have, you know, a low tire psi. So I take that, you know, I take that to be very important, and I really try to do my best to make sure my tires are properly filled. So I just bought this green lime green hose, and it connects right to the glad hand. You put it right on the trailer air supply, and you release your trailer air supply, and it will fill the hose with air. Now, I thought I was going to physically feel the air come out of the end of the valve stem of the hose. I'm gonna go outside and show you guys how it works and kind of the setup of it. But you're not gonna physically feel the air coming out of the hose. But once you attach it to the valve stem of the tire, you know, you hold it there for a little bit, about 30 seconds roughly, gets you about 5 psi. You know, if you need to fill it up at 10 psi, then keep it on there for about a minute. So I had a couple tires that were around 90 psi, so I just filled them up and we're good to go. But I want to show you guys outside. I got my handy dandy inspector gadget, so don't mind this if it gets a little, if I blind you guys, sorry about that. But yeah, let's go check outside and I'm gonna show you guys kind of the setup of it. We're about halfway done. You want to make sure, obviously, you keep your truck running. You want to fill your air up to about 110, you know, as high as you can go on your truck. Pushing that trailer air supply brake, and you'll be good to go. So yeah, you know what? Let me turn my light on here. So we're connected to the glad hand right here. Let's go around to the other side here. Try not to blind you guys. It is nighttime. So yeah, super simple. Get your tire gauge, check your PSI, and then boom. So yeah, I'm gonna go back inside. Woo. But yeah, so I've tried some of the other glad hands from, like, I tried the orange one, I tried the red one. Those both were not working. Like, they were leaking. Like, it was coming, like you could feel the air coming out of the end of the valve, like not the end of the valve stem, but like where the bolt connects. And it was just super frustrating. So I finally found one that works, and you can tell that I'm just like super excited that I finally got this, because it can get stressful if you get a low tire. You want to make sure it's filled. So I finally found a good product. So definitely go check out the Flexilla at Pilot. It was like 60 bucks, but you know, it could save you some money down the road. So hope you guys enjoy. This has been your boy Coach Dusty. I'm out. Peace.